Hello everyone, my name is Cliff with cerebralarchitect.com, and today I'm going to be taking a look at a product called Content Profit Hacks, or hacking. I always forget which one it is, but anyway, essentially I'm going to be showing you the sales page very briefly. I'm going to be showing you a brief snapshot inside the product. I'm going to be going over the upsells and the funnel, showing you what prices that you're going to be looking at for that, and then I'm going to show you my custom bonus package, which I put together and you cannot get it anywhere else, so stay tuned for that. But for right now, let's just jump into the sales page very quickly. I'm not going to go over the whole thing. You can read that in your own time. Essentially, it says, finally, a step-by-step, no-fuss method to creating cash-generating content 20 times faster with less effort. Once you apply these content hacks, you'll be able to turn that content into multiple income streams in only a fraction of the time that it would take normally. And I'll just briefly mention one of my bonuses here. One of my bonuses is going to be kind of basically a case study of how I've done this myself. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, coming on down here, you can obviously watch the video in your own time. We're talking any kind of content, books that actually sell, short reports that generate quick cash, printables like journals, planners, and more. Powerful one-page content like worksheets and cheat sheets that people crave, blog posts, social media content, on and on and on. And again, you can come read all this. There's no point in me going through all this. But one thing I do like about Amy Harrop's sales pages that you don't really see anywhere else is that, where is it at? It's on here somewhere. That's Content Profit Hacks. It's she actually shows you a sneak peek inside of like her ebooks and her videos. Not a lot of people do that. So this is actually a peek inside of the ebook itself. More than I'm going to show you because I don't want to give too much away. But yes, this is a peek inside of what you're going to be getting. There's a few videos included with this. I think that this might be all 6 videos. It's either 6 or 7, but I'm going to say 6 since that's how many I see here. And these are like I said, just simple little tutorial videos. The videos are not that long. I think that there's one or two of them that are like a minute or less, and then there's I think there's one or two that are maybe 5 minutes long. I know there's one that's at least 6 minutes long, and then there's a few short videos. So you're not going to be getting a whole lot of content in terms of the videos, but the videos are meant to supplement the PDF. They're not meant to replace the PDF or be I guess equal in volume to the PDF. So then I guess down here is a cheat sheet guide, which I haven't actually been through yet myself. So anyway. So here's essentially the bullet points version. If you want to go through this, you can see this on the sales page, but I'll just bring over one or two real quick. The little known tool that lets you extract, categorize, and add new content at hyper speed. This alone makes finding and creating profitable content quick as possible. The free app she uses to make sense of all the content. Looking for a specific topic, keyword, or phrase, find any content in a second simply by typing in a keyword. I was reading that earlier and I thought that was pretty slick myself. The 3 types of rebrandable content you can use to build your publishing empire. Trust me, most people just gloss over this. And again, there's a lot of bullet points that you can read through on this page, but it's stuff like this that grabs my attention. The system I use to speed up my content creation 20 times or more, so that whenever you want to create future content, you won't have to start from scratch. There's a lot of stuff, and I've seen a lot of people that have picked this up, and a lot of people that have really, really, really enjoyed it, and thought that this is one of the best products that they've gone through all year. So I'm not going to read through too much more of this. I've hit the bottom of the sales page. I thought there's a little section that I was looking at or for, but anyway. So with that said, that's a snapshot of this. I'm going to start reading the sales page now and just jump into the members area. So this is what you'll come to once you log in. There's a start here section, and then next to that there is the content profits hack guide right here, and then right here you see the video tutorials, and then down here are the bonuses. I haven't really looked at the bonuses too much. I think there's like one little there's one thing in there that I know that there's PLR, and then I think that there was something else in there. I don't know, there's like 2-3 things in there. So it's but you're not gonna be buying it for the bonuses. They're just bonuses. So anyway, this is a brief snapshot. Well, actually, that's not the brief snapshot into the PDF. This is the PDF section. So right here you see, you see the main artwork, then you see the content profits cheat sheet right here, and then here you see the content profit hacks guide. Excuse me, got a yawn. So yeah, if you actually go into the PDF, which I will do very quickly, this is a snapshot into the PDF. I'm not going to give anything away. I'm just going to show you a brief, snapshot of the introduction. But you can see that this is put together nicely. You can see that there is time and care put into making this book not only full of valuable information, but also to make it look nice, which I can appreciate. But essentially, right here, what you're seeing on the screen, what is the content hack? Somebody put a content hack as a shortcut to creating unique content with the key understanding of the building blocks of great content and how to basically reuse those blocks. So yeah, that's really all I'm going to show you because I don't want to give too much away. Just enough to kind of whet your appetite a little bit. So if I come over here, what else do I brought up over here? Oh yeah, then this is a snapshot of the inside of like the video area. I'm not gonna get too much into this, but so these two videos are 3 minutes 11 seconds and 6 minutes long. So I'm gonna say that you're gonna get between 10 and 20 minutes of content in the video section. I can't remember how long all of them are combined, but it's enough to be a nice little add-on to what you get in the ebook, and I'll let me show you how to do some editing in various programs and modifications and things like that. So yeah. So anyway, you're either watching this on my bonus page or on my blog. I haven't actually made a blog post for this yet, so that's why you're just kind of seeing just my blog right here. But on my bonus page right here, I've already gone over some of this stuff. This right here is probably if you're watching this on my blog, this is probably the video that you're watching. I had this here as a placeholder, but you can come over here, click any of these buttons on the page, obviously, and it'll take you to the sales page where you can pick it up yourself. And so what's it all about? Basically, the ultimate guide to to fast content creation. That's essentially what this is in a nutshell. And I already read over some of this stuff. Prices and upsells. This is a funnel essentially. So if you pick this up, you're going to pay $27 for this. This is a 90-page step-by-step PDF training with over the shoulder videos and a cheat sheet for creating content fast. That's it in a nutshell. The first upsell is public domain power pack software and live quick start training. That's $27. Easily find thousands of images, written content, and other content you can use for free. Upsell number 2, done for you content club for $10 a month. This is a PLR membership site featuring ebooks, blog posts, articles, and market research. And then upsell number 3 is printable profits mastermind for $97. Amy's complete A to Z system for publishing easy books and printables that sell. That sell. So obviously, if you get this, you're going to be getting the front end. Out of all these, my favorite upsell is probably the Done For You Club at $10 a month because, for one, that's a very affordable membership site. If you like the idea of getting, PLR ebooks, blog posts, articles, and market research, then I would definitely at least consider picking this up. As for these two, I'm basically just going to tell you to make your own judgment when you get to the sales page because I don't know much about them really. So I don't really want to recommend them or discourage you from getting them. So yeah, basically when you get to the sales page, take a look at it, see what it offers in more detail on the sales page, and make your own judgment from there. Anyway, here's more of what you'll discover. You read that in your own time. Coming down on here, this is a video that's on the sales page. So whether you watch it on my bonus page or whether you watch it on the sales page, it's there for you to see either way. And then now down here for my custom bonuses. So bonus number 1, this is generate an infinite number of high quality ideas in a niche. Sorry, I got a yawn. I guess I'm pretty tired. Anyway, so this is essentially my first course that I ever put out, and luckily I made it in a format that's evergreen. So whether you're watching this in 5 years or whatever, this course is still relevant because, like I said, it's an evergreen course. So infinite idea generation for content marketing is what it says right there. But really, it's for content marketing, blogging. It's if you want to do research to create your own digital products. It's basically if you want to come up with ideas for anything whatsoever that are good, So anyway, that's that. And yeah, and like I said, this is a custom bonus. This is my own course that I've created, so you cannot get this anywhere else. This is also a course that I created that teaches you how to create in-demand digital products that people want to buy. So yeah, this is essentially a course about product creation that I myself made. So yeah, that's that. Only available through me, not through anybody else. And then down here, this is not a course. This is one video that I made, but it's a case study that shows you how I made over $1,000 by hacking my own content. And this goes very well with this ebook. And this is a case study. I show you, it's it's a case study. It's a peek behind the curtain into my business, into like one little aspect of my business, and it shows you what I did, how much I made, and essentially how you can do the same thing. So So anyway, those are my 3 bonuses. I don't have 17 million bonuses to offer. I don't really focus on the number on my number of bonuses. I focus on the quality of each bonus, because I want each bonus to be really good. Sometimes I do offer more bonuses than this, but this is really all you need, because the ebook itself has tons of value. But you're getting the ebook and the supplement and the videos that come with it. You're getting this course, which I currently sell online, and you're also getting this course, which I currently sell online, and then this right here, which I'm probably also going to implement into a future course. So with that said, you've seen enough now to be able to make up your mind if this is for you. Like I said, you can come over here, you click any of the buttons, and go over to the sales page, pick it up through my link, and it will be available to you down here. Since this is going to be a Warrior Plus, it'll be available to you down here in this little blue button once you go to access your purchase down here as the Access Affiliate Bonus button. So with that said, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I guess feel free to ask. I don't think my email is on this page directly, but it's cerebralarchitect@gmail.com. I might actually have it over here on, if you really want to get a hold of me, you can come over to my website, cerebralarchitect.com, and go to my contact form, and you'll be able to reach out to me that way if you really want to. But anyway, that's that. I try to add my email on this page. Actually, I think it's down at the bottom. Right down here. No, actually, well, that's my website. So anyway, I'm rambling too much now. Thank you for watching. I'm wrapping this video up. You know what to do. And if you want to pick this up, and I will see you around in the future. Thanks. Have a good day.